Director General of Taxes, Mr. Surya Utomo, is invited to sign the Memorandum of Understanding between the competent authorities of the Republic of Indonesia and Australia on the automatic exchange of information for tax purposes. Now, it is the time to invite Commissioner of Taxation of the Australian Taxation Office, Mr. Chris Jordan, to sign the Memorandum of Understanding between the competent authorities of the Republic of Indonesia and Australia on the automatic exchange of information for tax purposes. Appreciation remarks by Director General of Taxes, Mr. Surya Utomo.
Hello, Commissioner Chris Jordan. I hope you and all of ATO officers are always healthy and fine despite these challenging times due to COVID-19 pandemic. First, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the ATO for the great partnership and cooperation that we have been so far establishing. Today, our cooperation will be improved by signing the Memorandum of Understanding on automatic exchange of information of withholding tax. I do believe the strategic partnership between the DGT and the ATO will bring about benefits to both of our tax administrations. This MOU will enable us to exchange the related information on a regular basis. By the application of this MOU, its jurisdiction will receive valuable information on various types of income earned by taxpayers deriving from another jurisdiction. This information would be useful in the context of worldwide income regime, especially to enrich our tax databases, which can be used as a tool in conducting a risk analysis, supervision of tax compliance, as well as law enforcement in tax matters. I understand that in this COVID-19 pandemic, it is difficult for us to have a face-to-face signing ceremony. Therefore, I am very pleased to be able to sign this document through a video record. I always hope that our cooperation is getting better and more intense in the future. I also hope that we can soon meet in person when the situation is possible. It is in my highest interest that our partnership could be continued and strengthened in the future. Thank you.
Appreciation remarks by Commissioner of Taxation of the Australian Taxation Office, Mr. Chris Jordan.
Hello, Director General Surya Utomo. I'm sorry we're not able to mark this occasion by meeting in person, but I'm grateful to be able to share this message with you instead. I am proud to be signing the Memorandum of Understanding on the automatic exchange of information between our two administrations. This MOU shows how strong our relationship continues to be and how the partnership we have is of great benefit to us to continue to promote transparency and combat international avoidance and evasion together. The vital role we play in improving and building robust tax systems, which is essential for our economies, is ever more critical now during these challenging times. I am proud of the work Australia and Indonesia have contributed to, not only here in the region, but globally. I look forward to continuing to grow our relationship in the future, and I hope that soon we can meet in person. On behalf of all of us here in Australia and the ATO, I send our best wishes for the health of you, your staff, and your families through this trying time. Take care and thank you.